How to fix YouTube video automatic pause problem. So if you're facing a problem with your YouTube video and if your YouTube video stops automatically, then what you need to do is you need to simply open up your YouTube application, go for the profile, which is on the bottom right, go for the settings, which is on the upper right, and then go for general. Once you're here on the general settings, if you have turned on the remind me when it's bedtime option, then you need to simply toggle that off. So turn that off, and once you turn that off, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to open up your settings application on your phone and then scroll down, go for the apps, and under your apps, you can open up your YouTube application. Once you open your YouTube application, go for the storage and cache, go for the clear cache, and go for clear storage. And once you've cleared your cache and storage, now your problem will be fixed and you'll be able to fix the YouTube video automatic pause problem. So now you can go back. So that's it. That's how you can fix your YouTube video automatic pause problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.